Root cause analysis training for beginners. For what reason do you need root cause analysis training? On the off chance that you are associated with critical thinking, at any level, in your organization, to begin with, you have to figure out how to get to the base of every issue to dispose of them forever. You would likewise need to figure out how to build up a viable restorative activity design and preventive arrangement for every issue or occurrence, keeping in mind the end goal to evade a similar issue from happening once more. Root cause analysis training for beginners shows all of you the above, in addition to gives you the chance to hone what you realized on genuine situations in class to guarantee you are prepared to backpedal and apply your insight and abilities at working environment. Audience. Tonex Root Cause Analysis Training for Beginners is a 2-day course designed for quality personnel, R&D team, production engineers and managers, design team, all the individuals whose job involve problem solving, safety, reliability, quality control, operations and logistics, and production. Root Cause Analysis Training for Beginners course covers the devices and methods to follow issues down to the root cause. Such an reverse-looking system is helpful particularly in the conditions where there is in excess of one noteworthy cause related with an issue. Some of the time the numerous causes are autonomous of each other, while now and again they all connected together, and consequently expelling one cause can bring about settling the entire issue. Root Cause Analysis Training for Beginners hands-on workshop will show you how to distinguish every one of the causes, find their association with each other, their consequences for the framework, expel them for all time, and set up preventive activities to keep away from them from happening again in future. Learn more about root cause analysis training for beginners. www.tonex.com